Hello, I'm Zach. I'm just gonna run down the list here. I got the name, what is motivating you to complete a degree here at OTC, the job opportunities, and I just enjoy programming a lot. I'm gonna be graduating in May, actually, hopefully. Got the capstone project. In addition to this class and mobile app development or data structures, I can't remember which one this is for. What are some of your interests and or future goals? I like to read books. I like video games. I like working out. I like yoga, hiking, outdoorsy stuff, camping, floating. Future goals. I haven't really thought that far ahead yet. I'm just trying to get through this degree and then find a job and go from there. So, pleasure to meet you. Look forward to working with you. Where's the pause button? Jeepers.